Stop, 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 stop. Ouch.
Don't drink and boat and drone at the same time. That's day 43.
This is the start of a 7-hour bus ride. Is that a flat tire? That sucks.
I've arrived to Bukhara. The plan for the next 7 days is dead simple. We'll be trekking the Annapurna mountain,
With these two guys, friends of mine.
which is the same height as Everest, but 800 meters shorter. We'll be trekking until we get to the base camp of Everest minus 800.
Naz, welcome in Nepal.
For now, I'll leave you with beautiful Bukhara. That's 1 minute.
I was in Bollywood. I'm also an actor and a model, and this is the riskiest drone flight yet.
That's 1 minute.